Just 30 days on a plant-based diet can create powerful and measurable changes in your body. Changes that, honestly, many people don't expect and science has repeatedly confirmed. If you're curious how your health might transform in only 1 month, this video walks you through the exact shifts happening inside your body, from inflammation reduction, gut microbiome improvement, to energy levels and even mental clarity. During the first few days, the most immediate change comes from the dramatic increase in antioxidants and phytonutrients your body receives. Most people don't realize how starved their cells are for these compounds until they experience the difference. Leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, and legumes deliver polyphenols, flavonoids, and micronutrients that start lowering oxidative stress almost immediately. This early adjustment is why some people feel lighter, cleaner, or simply less heavy within the first week. Around week 1 to 2, your body experiences a noticeable drop in chronic inflammation. Many scientific studies show that individuals who shift to whole food plant-based diets see reductions in C-reactive protein, one of the key inflammatory markers linked to heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and autoimmune conditions. Lower inflammation often shows up as reduced joint stiffness, easier movement, fewer headaches, and overall increased comfort throughout the day. If you've ever woken up feeling sore for no reason, inflammation may have been the culprit, and plant foods directly address that. As inflammation decreases, your energy levels become more stable. This is mainly due to the steady release of complex carbohydrates from whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legumes. Unlike processed foods or animal-heavy meals that spike and crash your blood sugar, plant-based meals provide slow, consistent energy your cells can use efficiently. Many people report fewer afternoon crashes, clearer focus, and improved concentration. Research also shows that people eating plant-forward diets often sleep better because reduced inflammation and better digestion create a more restful nighttime cycle. One of the most profound transformations during these 30 days happens in your gut microbiome. When you eat plant-based foods, you dramatically increase your intake of fiber, something that over 90% of people in modern diets are, deficient in. Fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, helping them grow and diversify. A more diverse microbiome improves digestion, immunity, mood regulation, and even the body's ability to synthesize vitamins. After about 2 to 3 weeks, you may notice smoother digestion, less bloating, more regular bowel movements, and honestly, just a general feeling of internal harmony. This is your gut communicating that you're giving it what it needed all along. Your skin also begins to change. Many people experience fewer breakouts, reduced redness, and a healthier glow. The antioxidants in fruits and vegetables neutralize free radicals that accelerate skin aging. Improved hydration from high-water content foods like cucumbers, leafy greens, and citrus fruits also contributes to smoother, brighter skin. And as your gut improves, your skin improves, because really the skin is often a reflection of internal health. As the 30-day journey continues, your heart health quietly improves. Plant-based diets naturally reduce LDL cholesterol, improve arterial flexibility, and decrease blood viscosity. These are measurable changes often recorded in clinical studies. A simple shift toward oats, beans, nuts, seeds, and vegetables can help lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, the #1 cause of death worldwide. Another powerful transformation occurs in your mental and emotional well-being. Many people underestimate how strongly food affects the brain. When inflammation drops, the microbiome strengthens and nutrient density increases. The brain receives more stable energy and clearer signals. People often report improved mood, reduced anxiety, and a heightened sense of calm after a month of consistent plant-based eating. This isn't just a feeling, it's a biochemical response tied to serotonin production, which largely occurs in the gut. At the end of 30 days, your entire biological system functions more efficiently. Digestion becomes smoother, energy becomes cleaner, sleep becomes deeper, and your mind becomes clearer. Your body begins to operate the way it is designed to, nourished by whole foods, supported by fiber, and fueled by plant-based nutrients that work with your biology, not against it. If you want to continue exploring science-backed plant nutrition, evidence-based meal plans, and practical ways to optimize your health naturally, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We create videos every week to help you build a healthier body, a brighter mind,